Hey folks, Johnny Korthuis here, ISA certified arborist and rope access technician. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the new kit that Edelrid has brought out. All right, so we're on ascent, and here we are. Now, one of the cool features of the Megawatt is the fact that you can use it one-handed. So in this scenario here, I'm going to show how to use it both one-handed with your left hand and one-handed with your right hand. So let's just pretend, for instance, that my right arm is the one that's injured. I'm going to switch this into trailing mode and reset the cam. As you can see, it's very easy to reset this cam because it's accessible on the bottom. So now that we're in trailing mode here, I'm going to come over here with the rope, pressing up on this lever, and then sandwiching the rope with the device here. And I can actually modulate really quite well with one hand, coming down nice and smooth. Now conversely, if it was my left hand that was injured and my right hand's here, I would scoop the rope with this hand and then grab the lever this way. So now by pulling the lever and belaying myself with my thumb here, I can also come down nicely modulated with one hand. It's just another neat little feature that this device offers.